For the flower, you will need 5 pieces of pink crepe paper that are 7 × 14 centimeters, 3 pieces of yellow crepe paper that are 2 × 8 centimeters, and 1 yellow piece that is 5 × 3 centimeters. You'll also need a small ball that has a diameter of about 3 centimeters, green crepe paper that is about 1.5 × 25 centimeters, as well as green wire, tape, glue stick, liquid glue, and scissors. For the stem, take the green wire, fold it in half, and then just twist it to make it more sturdy. Then take the smaller yellow paper and just glue it on the top of the stem. Now take the 3 yellow stripes, fold them in half, and also twist them. And then tape them to the yellow end of the stem. To make the petals, take the pink crepe paper and put glue stick on the outer quarters. Place the ball on the paper and twist both ends of the paper, and then carefully remove the ball. On one end of the paper, cut off the twisted part just to make it a bit shorter and that it is pointier. Then one after another, tape the petals to the yellow end of the stem. If you want, you can arrange the petals and then tape them. It's just easier to make it one after another. For the last step, we want to cover the tape we just used, so just take your green crepe paper and glue it around the stem. You could also use flower tape, I just don't have that, so crepe paper is perfectly fine for that. And here's your finished flower.